Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We have arrived at a critical junction of our learning path. We need to know derived verb. Without knowing derived verb, we can't review any new surah. For Qul surahs, probably only surahs where there is no presence of derived form. That means in the rest of the 110 surahs, at least one derived form will be noticed. We met Arabic root. The simple root that we studied so far is called Form 1. Let's revisit simple verb or Form 1. We saw the pattern of he did. This is the prime pattern. Then we saw lots of other verb patterns. Let's call them secondary patterns. The simple root also produces lots of verbal nouns. Generally, in secondary patterns, if the words start with ya, these are for pronoun, he or they. The verb patterns that start with ta are for pronoun, you. The verb patterns that start with nun are for pronoun, we. We will see the same characteristics with the secondary verbs of derived form. Let's preview derived verb one by one along with prime verb and verbal noun. Derived verb 2. When the middle letter of simple verb gets shadda, it becomes form 2. Fa'ala is the prime verb. Derived verb 3. When alif is added after the first letter of simple verb, it becomes form 3. Fa'il is the prime verb. Derived verb 4. When alif prefixes the first letter and the first letter gets sukoon, it becomes form 4. Derived verb 5. When the prefix ta is added to the form 2 derived verb, it becomes derived verb 5. Derived verb 6. Derived verb 7. Derived verb 8. Derived verb 9. Derived verb 10. All verbal nouns starts with mu. That means whenever you see a word starting with mu, confidently you can consider the word as verbal noun of derived form. Relationship of derived and simple verb. Let's imagine Arabic verb is a 10-storied building. The first floor is simple verb or form 1. Rest of the top floors are derived verb designated respectively 2 to 10.